จะขอโทษเธอแต่ฉันทำต่อไปไม่ไหวอาจเป็นเพราะว่าใจของฉันเปลี่ยนไปแล้วก็เพราะว่าใจของฉันเปลี่ยนไปแล้วไม่รู้ทำไมไม่รู้ทำไมเหมือนฉันเป็นคนใจร้ายฉันทำต่อไปไม่ไหวอาจเป็นเพราะว่าใจของฉันเปลี่ยนไปแล้วก็เพราะว่าใจของฉันเปลี่ยนไปแล้ว
ไม่เป็นกาเล้าแต่ค่อย
Which one do you dip in first? Salt and then chili. I actually don't know which one goes first. I need to sanitize.
That looks so good.
So my camera doesn't die. I need to try some. I just washed half my makeup because my face was just like the mask is making my face so itchy. So if I look crazy, please excuse that.
So much better.
I saw you tripping.
Like father, like daughter.
Oh.
Arena, yeah?
Yep.
I leave myself everywhere. I mean,
We're not eating toothpick, huh? Oh, you're using your hands?
Holy.
I wash my hands like.
Yeah, I'm gonna wash my hands again.
I haven't had this in so long. That's spicy. Okay, thank you. They made her buy a skirt because she was wearing shorts. But one of the tourists sold it to us for 100 when they're actually 150. I think her outfit still looks cute, but she's upset.
Oh look, I feel like a grandma.
I think it actually still looks really cute. Tom.
A Hong the pandan.
Yeah, it's a ball.
So cute. And then we got chili, cheese sticks?
Mozzarella sticks.
Mozzarella sticks. We got
Yeah. Four pieces.
Then we got a cheese chicken burger.
Yeah, it looks so good.
And then we got a choc mint
Shake.
shake. Pretty much. Let's try this.
Cheese full time.
Try burger, cheese bite into it.
Bite into it.
Careful.
Wow. See how long it goes. Whoa, nice.
Is it good?
Wow.
It's so good.
Really?
The pandan does the same honey.
Does that taste just like Chinese donut?
It does. I'm pretty sure it is Chinese now.
So,
Did it hurt? Fresh.
oh my god, I want to eat it now before it
it
gets
now.
cold.
Yeah, but they might have squid.
Oh my god, tell me it's good.
It's okay.
Oh, fuck's sake. You're joking.
We got mango Nutella crepe cake, mango sticky rice, and some barbecue grilled squid. And we got Thai milk tea.
A Thai milk tea.
Classic.
Or else I'll reveal your true colors.
Have some of this. Do you not want?
We're gonna have some of this. No, no, I just wasted
You
it.
wasted the filling.
No, I really can't have any anymore. You had your bite and landed on the table.
We could.
Felt like it just took so long to get it, or that we're not hungry
And
anymore.
now we're so tired. We can't. You know when you're too tired to eat.
True.
That's how I feel right now.
It took so long.
I have a tired stomach.
Mhm.
Man, but I had such good Macca's food. And Macca's always hits so
I know.
well.
I have some. What is this? Sticky
Look,
rice.
look at my hand, just holding the squid the whole time. Waiting to digest this. She might miss one of them.
I'll sneak it in just for fun, sis. So that.
And then we're gonna keep the video where she says,
What's the fuck's
I
up?
don't know what she says.
I never said anything.
Holy moly. Did you get more?
No, I'm just counting them.
But you have a whole constellation on your
I
legs.
do. I literally have a whole constellation.
It's crazy.
1, 2, 3.
I can't believe you have that many.
I got one here, and now I have one here. Small one here.
Wow. Guys, I've been holding this for 5 minutes in the video. I can't. A Chinese donut, I had a burger, I had 2 mozzarella sticks, and I had some squid. Tell me that's not much.
That reflux medicine's not doing much.
What can you finish? This? This one? This one? That's mine.
This is mine.
I bought it.
It's mine.
I bought it with mommy's money.